All right. So we essentially completed our program in our previous video. This video number 6 is simply adding format to the output. So what we did was went back and up above this before the start of the loop, we added two print statements with a tab in between. So input number and cube of the number. And then we added a little line here to actually make this to look like a table. Then we went back, and if you remember, the original print statement had loop variable as and then my num cube both had their own names, as a test string. But we took those out, added few tabs in the middle, and also we said, hey, when you calculate cube, then limit the decimal point to 2. So format my num's cube and then point to f. Those are the two formatting numbers, what we did, and that's the only change we have. And we're going to go ahead and then add our change log and then explain what exactly we ended up doing in our version 3. So here we simply say added formatting the output. Okay, and that's about it. So you learned how to add formatting and then keeping track of that in our changelog. Once we're done, guess what? Just run it. Okay, we give this value 1.5 is the lower limit, 4.5 is the upper limit, and then 0.5 is the increment. And here you have the first table with minus 1.5 as the lower limit, 4.5 upper limit, 0.5 is the increment value. Here are the numbers, and there are corresponding cube of the number. So that should do it. Obviously, we can pause here, get the other set of inputs, and use them to run the same program. So let's do that. So the next set data input was minus 6 through 8, the increment of 2. So here we have it, the next value. I think we may have to kind of resize the screen a little bit to accommodate it. And move this a little bit. Okay, and again, the values seem to match with our hand coded or hand solution values. The next set had low range of minus 15, upper range of 25, and an increment of 5. So here you have it for the next value. So this is how you're going to complete your question with all the data input sets defined.